Wait. Maybe I'll ask Pao to tell us how. Here. Okay.
We'll just videotape me.
Alright. It's recording?
We'll figure it out.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so take one of these.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
Like this.
Yeah.
During my stay with my fiance's family, I decided I needed to put in some work and earn my keep.
Okay.
In other words, this is how I lost my left arm. No, I'm just kidding. Or am I?
Just be
Let's
careful.
watch and find out.
Just okay. Just enough so that. Yeah. Oops. Alright.
I do want to be careful. That would
Yeah.
not be good.
Just the top, so
Right
that we'll. Okay. That's good.
Now what do they do after that?
Yeah. So you remove all of these, and then later we will put a hole here.
Do I use this or do,
Yeah.
do I use my hands?
No. So you just first let's first remove this.
With this.
Yeah.
With this. Okay. Like this. Here we go.
Yeah.
Now we're cooking.
Yeah.
Ooh. Like that?
Yeah. Yeah. You just put all the green. Slice all the green away
Okay.
on the top.
Okay.
Tama ginagawa namin Tama ginagawa namin. Kabila. Okay. Yeah. We should be doing here.
This side?
This side.
Not
Okay.
this side.
Not that side. Okay. Oh wait. It went off.
No, it's still going like it.
Okay.
We were doing the wrong
Yeah.
side. Oh my gosh. We were doing the wrong side. Like this?
Yeah. Not too much. Maybe over here. Okay. No, over here. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Want this off right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we can remove some more until we see the white.
So now more like that?
Yeah.
What about now?
Yeah, until we see the white. There should be a white appearing here, and then we put the hole.
So more?
Yeah, more.
Remove it more?
Yeah. Yeah, more.
More?
Yeah.
Alright.
Could you still do it? I don't know to what layer.
More?
Yeah.
Okay.
So do you want me to help?
I got
Okay.
it.
Okay. That's our okay. Yeah. I thought the juice was gonna go out, but we're near. We're near. Yeah.
Some more?
Yeah. I don't know to what layer is that. I don't know. It looks easy, but yeah, and yeah. So a hole should be over here. Is it soft already? No. No. You still use the blade to open it up.
Like this?
But supposed to be it's white and soft. That's why it's gonna be easy. So we haven't reached that yet.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe we could try like putting a hole here.
With what?
Yeah, with the blade.
Like this?
No. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Can you?
I don't know, I don't wanna go like
Okay.
that, you know?
Yeah. So maybe we haven't reached the. We're still in the husk, so we haven't reached the meat part yet. It's not as easy as it looks.
I don't know.
I don't know how to. Wait.
I don't know, man.
Alright, let me try. Tama itong ginagawa namin? Tama ba to? Makapal ba talaga yung bao? So,
Ito na
okay
yun,
to.
ito na yun.
Ito na yun.
Ito na yun.
And then, tas paano namin bubutasan?
Yan, butas na yan, pwede na.
Butas na yan.
Pwede na ganyan yan. Isang ganyan na lang.
Oh yeah, alright, that's it.
There we go.
That's it. And then yeah, you can like go there and like open it with the
So
Yeah.
it's a good
yeah
stuff.
yeah, and then you can use the fork there.
Okay,
Right, for sure.
I just want to know how to do it. I got I got cut that far.
That's the
Ooh.
buko meat and that's the juice.
That's the juice? And I can
Yes.
drink that?
Yeah. Usually we used to drink that with a straw, but we don't have the straw, straw here. So you have to transfer it in the glass.
To the glass? Okay, okay.
Wait. That's going to...
That one, that one.
Hindi, matatapon.
Hindi.
Maliit yan.
Hindi siya.
Ooh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Mapupuno, see?
Awesome. I'll drink it. Thank you. Ooh. Wow, so
It's
good.
fresh, right?
Mm-hmm.
In the hotel, very
It's too expensive.
The hotel, very expensive, the buko.
For coconut water?
Yes.
Oh my god.
Usually they sell it at 100 pesos, more than 100 pesos. Or just at
Damn, that tastes good. Nothing like a hard day's work. See you guys next time.